Hi everyone, today I want to share a special recipe that will make your Halloween extra spooky. 景颇鬼鸡 Jingpo ghost chicken from Yunnan. It has few ingredients, easy to make, and very colorful for the season. There are two reasons the dish is ghostly. The Jingpo people in Yunnan use the chicken to sacrifice to the spirits and gods. And also because of this black chicken. It has black skin, dark flesh, and some even have black feather.
なんだこれ。鶏。でも真っ黒だぜこれ。気持ち悪い。
In the past, because of superstition, it was looked upon as a symbol of evil omens, just like black cats in Western cultures. Despite its somewhat scary look, the meat of the chicken is super delicate and the flavor is very clean. So ghost chicken basically is a shredded chicken salad, so we need to poach the chicken first. Bring a pot of water to a boil, add in a piece of ginger and a stalk of green onion. Add in about 1% of salt, and drop in the chicken. Flip the chicken several times so that the hot water goes to the inside of the chicken to ensure even cooking. As you can see, the size of the chicken is not very big, so we only need around 25 minutes of gentle poaching to cook it. Adjust the heat to low until you can barely see some bubbles coming up. Let the water simmer and we can start to prepare the dressing. Slice quarter of an onion. I have a half here but ended up using only a quarter. The most prominent flavor of the dish comes from this ingredient, culantro, also known as sawtooth coriander. It's a very common ingredient in Southeast Asian cuisines. It's like a supercharged cilantro, much more herby and refreshing, but tastes less soapy in my opinion. Finally, chop the culantro. Chop a couple cloves of garlic. Chop several Thai chilies. Squeeze 1.5 limes and slice up a couple slices for decoration. So the lime juice is about a quarter cup. The chicken should be cooked by now. Take the chicken out and let it cool. We need to use some of the chicken stock later, and you can also use the rest of the stock for soup or chicken rice. When the chicken is cool enough to handle, just use your hand to tear the chicken meat into small strips. Finally, add in the veggies, herbs, lime juice, and a couple spoons of the chicken stock, and a dash of sugar to balance the sourness. Mix the ingredients very well and taste the seasoning. If it's too sour for you, add more salt or sugar. Ghost chicken is done. Like many Yunnan dishes, it's spicy, savory, sweet, and sour. Perfect balance of flavor to serve as an appetizer. I hope you like this interesting recipe today and have a story to tell about this ghost chicken at your dinner table. Happy Halloween!